than not. But let's talk about your forecast this morning. Hey, out on those roads, I've got all of our live cameras up so we can analyze exactly what's happening out there because as that temperature drops, sometimes you will get a little bit of black ice that forms because of all the rain we had yesterday. The one factor that usually limits that, though, is if you have a lot of wind, which we certainly have, right? That does help to dry those surfaces out, especially as more cars get going. Be especially careful on the overpasses, your driveways, your sidewalks, front and back porches, places that don't get a lot of traffic. Those are spots that will see a heavier freeze potential, I think, than a lot of our main roadways. So just giving you the yellow light this morning for that potential for a little bit of black ice in slick spots. Be smart, especially as you're coming up to those stop signs for you this afternoon. A chillier breeze, but I'll give you the green light. Should be dry. A few flurries during the day, but that's about it. Our big system is wrapping up here in the Great Lakes. We've got rain now shifting east. It's cold enough locally that it is blue on radar, and that means snow showers coming down. Our steadiest snow is east of I-75 on the backside of that rainfall, so that's shifting away. What's yet to come through, it's just a little bit of light flurries here in northern Indiana and southern Michigan. So watch our temperatures. Our hour-by-hour forecast says it is going to be cold over the next couple of hours. Wind chill readings back down in the single digits, and that's the way it stays pretty much all day long. High temperatures pretty much where we are right now in the mid-20s. Overnight, notice we don't fall back down very far. A southerly wind kicks us back up, and highs tomorrow back up into the 40s. Pretty good bet. Should be a really nice Saturday if you got some holiday shopping to get done or you just have some family gatherings, things that will be happening. Should be a really nice day for tomorrow. Sunday, officially the first day of winter. If you think we haven't been in it for 3 weeks, I don't know where you've been, but the calendar says it's the first day of winter right there. We're ironically going to see a warm up that first week of winter. High temperatures there. Look at this, by Christmas Day could be in the 50s. One of the warmest in recent history and one of the warmest in Toledo history. So there you go. We've been talking about how it's going to warm up for Christmas, and there it is in our 10-day forecast.